Buffing requires basically 2 or 3 tools, a few pads, a couple different kinds of compound. I'll make it as simple as I can. The wool pad is the most aggressive pad. If you want to get the most shine on the biggest surface as fast as possible, you start with a wool pad, and 3M Perfect-It 3 brand compound is the most common in the industry. It's a more aggressive compound. This is the most aggressive pad. Your next stage would be to use the white pad that you see Dan using here on the 32 Ford grill shell. That pad is a little bit less aggressive. You use it on smaller pieces, on smaller jobs. It goes more slowly but does exactly the same job the wool pad does. And here's an example of that white pad on a smaller buffer. This is a pneumatically driven buffer, and it's for getting in little nooks and crannies. The trigger's here, and it is harder to vary the speed of it, but it's not very powerful, so it's hard to damage things with. The final step is the black pad with machine glaze. So the first 2 steps on a big job would be the wool pad, then the white pad with Perfect-It 3. The final stage is a black pad. This is the least aggressive pad. It makes the least heat. It cuts the least amount, and you use this to get that last killer shine.